A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Arranging for travel and lodging. Go when crowds are smaller but events are happening. Disney World events and hours vary from season to season and day to day. Planning your trip around special events and extended hours is an excellent way to enhance your magical experience. Consult one of several unofficial Disney crowd level charts online for information on how different special events and holidays impact crowd levels. Avoid the biggest crowds and save some money by scheduling your Disney World vacation during the off-season, mid-January to mid-March, excluding President's Day weekend, mid-April to mid-May, excluding spring break, mid-September to mid-November, excluding Halloween weekend. The parks are also less busy Tuesday through Thursday. Simplify things by booking a Disney vacation package. Travel groups and the Disney Company offer packages that include park tickets, hotel accommodations, and airfare. Purchasing a vacation package can ease the stress of planning a vacation. Compare the costs and perks of a variety of packages in your price range. Disney employs travel agents that are available to assist you. The phone number for this service is 407-939-5277 US. You may or may not save money. By booking an all-in-one vacation package, you'll definitely save time. Stay at a Disney resort for convenience and proximity. Do you want to experience the magic of Disney 24/7? Disney resort packages are available at multiple price points. You may stay at the campground or book a deluxe villa. Staying at a Disney resort also grants you several privileges. Disney resort guests receive free transportation to and from the airport. If you drive in, you will have the luxury of parking for free. You will also have the ability to enter the park early and stay after regular hours. Book a flight as soon as you know your vacation dates. In order to snag an excellent deal on airfare, you must search for flights early and remain persistent. Begin your search for flights 6 months in advance. If you intend to visit Disney over school vacation or holiday, it is especially important that you book your flights early. Search for flights every day. Use online tools to find deals on flights. Consider flying in or out on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Saturday. Make your own arrangements for even more options. Ideally, Disney wants you to land at Orlando's airport, take their shuttle right to your Disney resort, and stay within the Disney World complex for the entire vacation. But you can escape Mickey's grasp from time to time if you prefer. For budget-conscious Disney vacationers, driving is often the most cost-effective option. In addition to saving money, road tripping to Disney is an excellent way to see America. If you are flying and not staying at a Disney resort, you will need to rent a vehicle. Off-site hotels are inexpensive alternatives to the Disney resorts. They are ideal for couples and families vacationing on a budget. If you are vacationing at Disney with a large group, Consider booking a local timeshare or vacation home. Search for discounts. Many organizations and associations offer Disney discounts to their members. For instance, if you are a member of AAA, you may have access to discounted Disney resort accommodations. United States military members are eligible for discounts through the Shades of Green Foundation. Disney also offers group rates. Planning your days wisely. Evaluate each Disney World park individually. Before you set an agenda for your Disney vacation, research the different parks and features. Disney World has 6 parks: Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, Typhoon Lagoon, and Blizzard Beach. Start jotting down a prioritized list of must-see Disney attractions. Note the shows and exhibits you want to see while you are in each park. Compile your list of must-see and must-do attractions. Check the Disney World calendar for special events like parades and fireworks shows. Make note of any events that are essential for you and your crew. Highlight any days that a park will close early for special events. If you are staying at a Disney resort, take advantage of extra Magic Hours EMH. Every day a different Disney park offers EMH for guests of their resorts. The park either opens 1 hour early or stays open 2 hours later than normal. Visiting a park on an EMH day ensures that you will have additional time to explore and enjoy the magic of Disney. Rank and organize your essential itinerary. Once you've created your list of must-see/do items, organize them by date, time, and location so you won't be racing back and forth across a Disney park or, even worse, shuttling between parks to get from a character dinner to a fireworks show. For instance, if the Magic Kingdom has a parade at 5, even if you do end up buying park hopper tickets so you can visit multiple parks in a single day, limiting travel between parks whenever possible will make your day that much less hectic and tiring. Schedule at least one free day into your vacation. If you schedule each day down to the minute for several days, you'll definitely hit the wall by the 3rd or 4th day, and probably sooner if you have small children. For every 2 or possibly 3 fully scheduled park days, set aside a non-park day with no set times or plans. It is supposed to be a vacation after all. You'll find plenty to do at your lodging resort, especially if it's a Disney property. You can hit the pools, play games, shop, or just sleep. If you can't stand just hanging around the pool all day, head over to Disney Springs on your free day. It's full of shopping, dining, and activity options. Take your fitness, comfort, and kids into account. If you're an in-shape pair of 20-something honeymooning at Disney World, you might be able to hoof it across the parks at a fast pace for several days straight. But most traveling parties need to be realistic about how quickly they can go and how long they can keep up the pace. You can easily walk several miles during a day at a Disney park and stand for several hours when you aren't walking. If your kids can still fit in the seat, bring or rent strollers, even if they don't use them anymore at home. Worn-out 5-year-olds equals cranky preschoolers equals a less than magical day. Likewise, if you're traveling with anyone with any type of mobility limitation, check into getting a wheelchair or motorized scooter even if they usually don't use one at home. Or, at least schedule more frequent breaks and less hectic days. Don't try to do everything. There are so many great things to do at Disney World that it's easy to go overboard with your planning. That's why you need to prioritize your must list and be realistic about how much your traveling party can manage in a day. It will be tough, but some things you'd really like to see or do will have to go on the cut list. Be an optimist. Think of this trip's cut list as the beginning of the must list for your next Disney World vacation. Finalizing your schedule. Make special meal reservations 6 months in advance. Experiencing the magic of Disney in its themed dining rooms and exclusive restaurants requires planning. You'll always be able to find somewhere to eat, but high-end/high popularity restaurants and meals with Disney characters take reservations 180 days in advance. So, if you want to dine with Cinderella, book early. Buy park tickets. Disney provides its guests with the ability to customize their ticket package. Once you have decided which parks to visit, create your custom ticket package. Guests may choose to buy a one-day or multi-day ticket. The cost of tickets becomes considerably cheaper the more days you plan to visit. For an additional fee, you may add a park hopper option to each ticket. This allows you to visit multiple Disney theme parks in one day. Fans of water parks can select the Water Park Fun and More option. Save money by combining the Park Hopper option and the Water Park Fun and More option. Finish off your daily itinerary. Once you have made all of your travel arrangements, purchased your park tickets, and made your restaurant reservations, create a detailed Disney vacation agenda. Highlight the times and locations of the key events you'll be attending. Pass out copies to your traveling party. Use your itinerary to keep your trip on schedule or just as a casual reminder of what you have planned for any particular day. Create your itinerary with the My Disney Experience Planner, which is available on the Disney website.